See, I realized that there's a certain pattern that life takes. There's a certain structure. There is a method to this madness. Every single morning, what is the first thing that you hear? What is the first thing that you listen to? What are the first few words that come out of your mouth? These things, even without realizing it, they change the course of our life. Without even realizing it, subconsciously, our actions start representing it. It's because we tell ourselves, oh, I don't think I'm good at it. I don't think I could do it. I don't think I'll get that job. You know what? I don't think I have that experience to take on that responsibility. I don't think I look good. I don't think my hair suits me. Oh, I wish I had hair like that. Oh, I wish I had a face like that. Oh, I wish I was fairer. Just generally wishing for things that go against your existence. And then we have the audacity to complain that life isn't turning out to be the way that we always imagined it to be. And beautiful people, the reason is we restructure it. Every single day, we restructure the course of our lives just with these words, these intentions, these programming that we do to our heads. Even without realizing it, we change the direction of our lives. When you tell yourself, when you give yourself a prep talk, I don't think I'm ready for this. I don't think this is the right thing for me right now. I want it, but I don't think I'm good enough. I don't think I deserve this. When you tell yourself these things, you change the way your life is turned out to be. And suddenly you're settling for less. Suddenly you are asking for less than you deserve. So every single morning, what are your firsts? What are the first things that you think about? What are the first words that you speak? What are the first things that you watch? Who are the first people that you talk to? These are the most important things. Every single morning, I pay attention to this, and they change the direction of my life. This thing that's inside of our skull, it has so much power, and it carries so much of experiences, memories, goals, behavioral patterns, and things that we desire. Everything is stuck in here. Be very careful of the words that you say. Be very careful of the intentions that you create. Be very careful of the thoughts that you put in here. The content that you consume, the people that you associate, the vibes, the energies that you gain from the people around you, your closest circle. Be very careful, because everything gets accumulated here. Everything gets stored, collected here. The next time that you create action, your brain will remember every single affirmation you created, every single intention that you created, every single desire, and put it into action easily. So when you tell yourself you are good enough, that you are gonna nail that exam, you are gonna nail that exam, because your brain believes it. You believe it. And therefore everything will just flow into you. You know you can do it. It's crazy. It's crazy what intention can do. The positive intention. There's a reason why I am so hyper positive. And that's because no bad thing has happened to me by being positive. But bad things have happened to me because I was negative. So nothing can go wrong if you are positive and you believe in yourself. So don't be afraid to be hyper positive. Don't be afraid that the world will judge you for being overly positive. Who cares?